Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your AirPod Pros into pairing mode. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to pair their AirPod Pros to a different mobile device for perhaps. How do you actually put it into pairing mode? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and grab your AirPod Pros and make sure both of them are within its case. Next, you want to go ahead and leave it open. And then on the back button here, you want to click on and hold on the back button until you hear a little beep. Okay, it's a very subtle beep, and then to indicate that it's in pairing mode, you'll actually see your AirPod Pros start to flash white as shown. So right now my AirPod Pros are in pairing mode, but let me go ahead and actually close this up because I want you to hear the beep that'll actually occur when you put your AirPod Pros into pairing mode. So let me pull it up to the mic. So right now my AirPod Pros are open, and then if I click and hold that back button, this is the sound that it's going to make. So you can hear that it's very subtle, and again, to indicate that it's in pairing mode, this light here is going to start flashing white. So to indicate that it's in pairing mode, this light over here is going to start flashing white. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your AirPod Pros into pairing mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.